Hey guys, this is the installation video for us to understand the installation. What we're gonna do, we're gonna first install the CentOS installation, and then the Java installation, Weblogic installation, and then we are going to create domains, and then we're going to create the JVM, which is going to be part of the domain. So firstly, we will do the standalone mode, and in which the server will be created as part of the domain creation. So you don't really have to worry about server creation at this moment. So in the later point of time, when you're building the clustered production domain, we may have to build servers based on the domain we are creating. So as you can see, the CentOS installation is going to be, through your virtual machine. So firstly, we need to have a virtual machine set up. That's the next video we are going to see. And then we're going to install the CentOS operating system on our virtual machine. And then we're going to install Java within the CentOS once the installation is completed. And then we're going to install Weblogic. So we're going to install Weblogic using a few methods. So I'll show you all these three methods which we're going to use for the Weblogic installation. And then we're going to create domain, again, domain creation, also using a couple of methods over there as well. But then for the first domain which you're creating, we will use GUI, and then later point of time, we'll use other methods to create the domain as well. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.